A professional window cleaner sets out on a seemingly impossible task, restoring a home's foggy, dirt-caked windows. With their specialized tools, they expertly tackle the grime, revealing glistening glass beneath. As the cleaner meticulously applies a powerful yet eco-friendly solution, the transformation becomes captivating. Viewers watch in awe as the sunlight breaks through the once cloudy panes, illuminating the interior. The final reveal showcases the stunning clarity of the windows, leaving the audience satisfied and inspired to try this at home.